So you're looking for gift ideas for the photographer or videographer in your life. Here are my 5 recommendations, 5 awesome products that I've been using for the last few years. And I don't make recommendations, I don't recommend any product or service unless these are my primary tools and I've used them for a while. So here are my top 5 recommendations. The first one is the Peak Design Sling. It's a camera strap unlike any other. The Peak Design Sling is long enough to be worn around your neck or across your shoulder, is internally padded, and the best part about it is that it's just so easy to readjust the length without having to take it off. It has 2 quick adjusters that help you to calibrate the length that's comfortable for you. The maximum length is a very comfortable 57 inches. The width of the strap is 1.8 inches. That's almost twice as wide as any camera strap that come with cameras. It comes with 4 anchor connectors that can be attached to 2 cameras. 2 connectors on each camera, and that makes it just so easy to detach the strap from one camera and attach it onto another. My second recommendation, the portable LED light. You can use a light like this to click portraits of food or products, especially when clicking pictures indoors. Lots of people like to click food, for example, in the evenings or at night when there's no natural light available. Lights used to light up a room are not the right kind of light for photography because A, they are not strong enough, and B, they spread all over the place. We need directional light to click good pictures, and this little thing will be a complete game changer, and I'm absolutely certain that you'll come back to me and say what a great idea this was. The light works on battery, but please do your friend a favor and purchase an additional power adapter so that they don't have to stop clicking pictures when the battery runs down. The kit comes with a light stand and umbrella holder as well. Recommendation number 3, the Zoom H1. This is a handy recorder that's small in size, capable of recording broadcast quality sound. It has 2 unidirectional microphones set at 90 degrees relative to one another. That way it's able to cover a wide area while still capturing sound at the center with absolute clarity. I love using this to record ambient sound and live music. Now your camera will have to have a mic input, of course. Alternatively, you can attach an external microphone to the Zoom H1, such as a lapel mic, which is my recommendation number 4, the Rode SmartLav Plus omnidirectional condenser lapel mic. It has a TRRS connection. What that means is it works straight out of the box with an iPhone or iPad, but you will need the Rode SC3 TRRS to TRS adapter to use it on any camera or Android phone. The audio quality is phenomenal. My 5th and final recommendation is the MagSphere. This little thing is an omnidirectional flash diffuser. It softens flashlight. The MagSphere is a game changer for clicking portraits, weddings, and other event photography. I've even used it for food photography. The MagSphere is just so easy to attach to any flash. It just sits on the magnetic mag grip, easy to attach or detach. The magnets are super powerful, no chance of the MagSphere falling off. The MagSphere is much brighter. Test results suggest that it's over 2 times brighter than other upmarket flash diffusers. So what that means is your flash batteries last longer, 2 times longer. So those are my 5 recommendations. The Peak Design Slide, the MagSphere, the Zoom H1, the Rode SmartLav Plus lapel mic, and this LED light. Now once you gift one or more of these items to your friend, please come back. The comments are open. Tell me what was their reaction. I really want to know how they enjoyed their gift. The links to purchase these products are down in the description below. I'm Girish Menon and I teach photography workshops online. Now my workshops are also a great gift to give someone. Please log on to my website www.girishmenon.com. You can be based anywhere in the world and still learn photography from me via live one-on-one video calls where I'll show you how to use your camera in the manual mode. No matter which camera you have, which brand, which model, I'll show you how to use your camera so that you can make awesome pictures. And girishmenon.com is my website, and I look forward to seeing you again and to reading your comments very soon.